Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video.
Today we're checking out one of the Queen's Beasts coins. Now what's interesting about this is the fact that we've already actually seen the coin, but this one was minted in 2018. So the coin in question is this one here, but the coin we've already seen is this. It's the Line of England 2017 UK £5 brilliant uncirculated coin. And as you can see from the bottom by here, this is number 1 of 10. So the entire run of the series of the Queen's Beasts coins is going to be 10 and they're still coming out. But this was the first one, which I've already made a video on if you want to go and check that out. Now, the really cool little twist is that this one came out this year. So as you can see, the coin has 2018 on it. And the reason that they brought this out was because of how well England were doing in the World Cup. So during the World Cup, you could buy this coin. It's actually no longer available to buy. But if you did manage to get your hands on it, this is how it would have arrived in the classic Royal Mint hang bag. That is the front, and then that is the back. So what I'm going to do is open mine up so you can see everything that's going on inside. So if you do actually own this coin, you never need to actually open yours. So I thought that was a really cool idea, just like stamping one with a completely different date on it. I'll just put them side by side quickly. There you go, 2017 and 2018. But there's the front of the packaging and the back, which we'll get onto in a second. And I'll just open it up so that you can see everything that's going on inside. As you can see, it's just one side on each. Doesn't actually open any further than that. So there we go. You can have a read of that. And then a little bit of information by here. But no, I think it's a really cool idea, like I said, that they re-stamped this for 2018 because of how well England were doing in the World Cup. And not only was their performance great at the World Cup, but it was actually the best World Cup that I've seen for a long, long time. I really thoroughly enjoyed it. But there we go, the coin specifications. So the denomination is £5. The alloy is copper nickel. The weight, 28.28 grams. The diameter is 38.61 millimeters. The quality is brilliant and circulated, and both the obverse and reverse was designed by Jody Clark. So let's have a look now at the reverse of the coin, just so you can see how great the finish is on that. So yeah, that's really cool. As you can see, Jody Clark's initials just by there. And if we open it up, we can have a look at the obverse of the coin. So there we go. So yeah, it'd be pretty cool if they did special editions of all sorts of coins. I mean, I know that they did a 2018 Sir Isaac Newton Mint Your Own coin, which is actually a 2017 coin. And I just think it's a really cool idea. It's really unique and it's something extra special for us collectors to have because it's not something you're going to find in circulation. Not that the £5 coins are something you're going to find in circulation anyway. But it's another variant and something cool to collect. So let me know in the comment section below, have you got this coin and have you got this coin? Have you got both? Did you manage to get that or did you want it and then by the time you went to buy it, it was no longer available? But let me know in the comment section below because that always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.